What's up, guys? It's Ralph with Pondscapes, and today we are getting started on a beautiful small courtyard pondless waterfall. All right, so we're in a beautiful neighborhood in Mesa, Arizona, and we've got this cool front courtyard, and this area was specifically designed with entertaining and having a good time, being social with your neighbors. And look at this front yard setting. This is really cool. We're right on the corner. Check out this beautiful desert museum. Now this is providing a really nice shade canopy, and just below that in this area is where we're going to be installing our pondless waterfall. You can see where the wall was removed. The homeowners jackhammered that out, and what we're doing is we're going to nuzzle a cool little pondless waterfall right in between there. We'll have a retaining wall of boulders back here, and our waterfall will start over here, twist and turn, and end right over here. So we've got this circle radius border of the pavers, and the homeowners, they really were adamant they don't want to encroach on that because this walkway does get kind of narrow. So if we cut into that and did our boulder work, we would end up creating some tripping hazards, and we don't want to do that. Oh, Alex, you okay?
Yeah, I don't want that though.
So what we're gonna do is have our water disappear right around this area, and ultimately it's going to kind of look in this area. This is going to be the viewing area. So this is going to be really great as far as access goes, but there's going to be a little bit of hurdles because it's all manpower. So I got a couple strong dudes over here. I'm going to sit back and make sure everything goes right. So guys, do you need me for anything? Want some lemonade, some cookies?
Go get some coffee.
Coffee. All right. I'm on it. What would I do without you, Alex? That's a good question.
I cause all the problems so that I can fix them so that you can't fire me.
So things were moving smoothly, right, Alex? We were smooth until he found the pressurized water line that was pre-ran for this project. But on the bright side, Alex knows how to fix that.
It's all part of the plan.
Okay, Alex, what are we doing?
Taking a break.
No, moving right along.
All right. Moving right along.
All right, moving right along. We've got our layout of what our aqua blocks are going to look like. Now, I grabbed the wrong size of one of them, so we're having the other one delivered out here. That's my fault. Alex, I'll take that one. That's my fault.
Yay.
Good, good. We've got our layout of where our pump vault and aqua blocks are going to go, and now it's time to just get it dug out. Okay, so Alex and Brandon have got the remainder of that footer torn out. So we're just now getting the area worked out for the vault. So this excavation was kind of dirty. And what I mean by dirty is that there's a lot of broken concrete, stuff like this that we don't want in our excavation. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna dig this a little bit deeper than we would normally. And then we're going to come back and backfill, shade it with some quarter minus and sand. So a nice soft material to give us a base. That way we know we're not putting our liner down on any concrete or sharp rocks. All right, here we are, morning number 2. And the guys got this all totally excavated yesterday. So now what we're doing is putting that quarter minus down for a nice cushion. We'll get that leveled out and then test fit our blocks and pump vault, and then put in our fabric, liner and fabric, and get to rocking. All right, so this is what our test fit looks like. We've got our excavation all done. The quarter minus is there cushioning the bottom. You can see we've still got concrete here from the old foundation, that old footer, but that's not a problem because it's so far behind our components. And then that liner is gonna come up right behind that, and then we'll backfill with more quarter minus, be nice and soft. So all of this is very nice. We'll backfill, and then we'll have a cool little slope around here, do some rock work, and rock ourselves from the bottom, working our way up and out. All right, so what we are doing right now is getting all of the outside rocks outside of the waterfall. We've got to create an elevation so we can fold our liner, pinch it, and make that disappear. And another issue that we're dealing with is disguising that pump vault. So you can see that it's snuck in right down here. So that is one of the important things on doing a feature like this. We want to make sure that we don't see that the operating components are not visual. So we've got that taken care of. We just got to button this lower section down, and that's going to look fantastic. But we're making some good progress, and you can see where that spillway is nestled in right there. So once Alex and Brandon get this area locked up, we'll be able to cobble that, drop our pump in, and work our way up the edges and connect that plumbing, do a little bibbing, and get this baby running. All right, guys, so this is it. We got it all knocked out. What I love about this is how it comes right up to that patio, and there's a lot of components going on under here, but they're way tucked under the backside of that rock work. So we did not have to cut into this patio space, and we were able to hide that pump vault really nicely. So love the way this turned out. This is going to be a beautiful way to spend your mornings and evenings when it's a little cooler out here in AZ.